Ålesund, a coastal gem nestled on the western shores of Norway, is a captivating destination that seamlessly marries history, architecture, and natural beauty. Renowned for its unique Art Nouveau architecture, picturesque landscapes, and vibrant maritime culture, Ålesund offers an enchanting blend of old-world charm and modern vitality. The city's distinctive architecture is a major draw for visitors. Following a devastating fire in 1904, Ålesund was rebuilt in the Art Nouveau style, characterized by ornate facades, intricate detailing, and elegant curves. A stroll through the streets unveils a visual feast of architectural treasures, with turrets, spires, and decorative elements that make Ålesund's cityscape truly one of a kind. The Temperate Museum offers insights into the history and development of this architectural style, immersing visitors in the art and culture of the era. Ålesund's coastal location offers a wealth of maritime experiences. The city's proximity to the fjords and the open sea makes it a perfect base for exploring the stunning Norwegian coastline. Boat trips, fishing excursions, and kayaking adventures allow visitors to immerse themselves in the beauty of the surrounding landscapes, from serene fjords to rugged islands. Mount Axla provides a panoramic view of Ålesund and its stunning surroundings. Whether reached by a leisurely climb or a quick drive, the viewpoint offers an awe-inspiring vista of the city, the archipelago, and the majestic Sunnmøre Alps in the distance. The Atlanterhavsparken, Northern Europe's largest saltwater aquarium, showcases the diverse marine life of the Norwegian Sea. With impressive tanks, interactive exhibits, and the opportunity to see seals being fed, the aquarium offers an educational and engaging experience for visitors of all ages. Ålesund's vibrant cultural scene is a testament to its rich heritage. The town hosts various festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from seafood to art and music. The Ålesund International Jazz Festival is a highlight for music enthusiasts, featuring renowned artists from around the world. The city's culinary scene is influenced by its coastal location, with an emphasis on seafood and locally sourced ingredients. Restaurants and cafes offer a variety of dining experiences, from fresh fish markets to upscale dining with a view of the harbor. Whether you're marveling at the unique architecture, exploring the maritime culture, savoring local cuisine, or simply taking in the coastal beauty, Ålesund offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Norway's coastal charm and leaves an indelible mark on all who venture into its inviting embrace.